First, click on Members, which brings up a full directory of all the members. Then just click on Add a Friend in that person's window to place your friend request. And wait for the response, which should show up in your inbox in the message portion of the profile. You can also click on the member forums to get the latest. Just click on the member forums to get in and partake. Once you're in, here's what the details look like that list all the member forums by topic. Click on your favorite. That should bring up that specific forum where you can add your comments and questions. Yet another way to connect? You can message your friends directly by just clicking Messages in the upper navigation bar. But first, you need to know your friend's @name. You find that by going to their profile listed in either Friends or the Members menu. Then you can private message that person right off the profile window by clicking on Private Message. This automatically takes you to the Compose page, where it enters that member's name for you. Then you simply fill out the subject and your message. It's that easy to connect. When you're finished writing your message, just click Send at the bottom of the page. And last but not least, you can also join and create your own groups. Plus, you can even create your own private forums. And here's how. Let's start by clicking on Create and Join Groups in the navigation menu. It'll automatically bring up this window where you can fill in the details. That'll look something like this. You'll follow all the prompts to take you through all 6 sections until you see Finish, but it won't allow you to finish until after you send invitations to friends to join. You can also create your own private forums. Just stay on this page, the home page of your group, which can also always be accessed off the navigation menu under Your Groups. Just click on Forum on your group's homepage. This will automatically take you to the page that allows you to fill in the details, including tags, which you'll see as you scroll down and which bring you traffic. Finish filling in the details as you scroll down further, and tick Notify Me of follow-up replies via email and submit. And you're there. Congratulations! You made it through How to Connect in our 4.0 industry community. Now let's make sure you see the rest of the site. Don't forget to check out all our links in the main navigation bar, which include everything from our full list of badges to exciting events where you can meet the movers and shakers in the industry under About Us, to ways to join our efforts by becoming a supporter, a partner, to even providing corporate membership or becoming a philanthropic donor. And now you're finished. So, welcome aboard to being the living proof of the American Dream 2.0. Because around here, sci-fi becomes reality. Possibility is the new normal.